Guys, iba yung ibang amoy dito sa ano, Guilford. Parang nakakalasan yung amoy. Tignan niyo yung mga tao. Oh. What kind of that smell? Let's go, let's go. What's that? Smell like gas. Uy, nagmamadali kami dito para makalabas, oh. Grabe, tignan nyo, guys. What kind of that? Let's go, let's go. Grabe yung smell, parang gas.
So some kids
Yeah.
Oh, that's fun.
Oh my god. Shit, what's that? Guilford town. Don't come here. Smell like something gas. There are a lot of old people here. Oh. Iba yung amoy, tapos yung mga tao nagsisigawan na umuubo-ubo. Dito yan sa Guilford Mall. Huwag na kayong pupunta dito, huwag na kayong pupunta. Smell bad. What do you think?